15th one, find the equation of the tangent line to the curve y equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, which is first condition given is parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. Second condition given is perpendicular to the line 5y minus 15x equal to 13. Now if the lines are parallel, the slopes are equal, and if the lines are perpendicular, then the multiplication of their slopes will be equal to -1. Now taking up the first condition, that is parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. For that, firstly we have to calculate the slope, because here we are going to combine the slopes. After calculating the slope, to find the equation of the tangent, we need two main things. Two major things are, one is the slope, one is the point. Neither the slope is given nor the point is given, but the conditions are given. So taking up the condition, we will calculate slope also as well as points also. So for that, the equation of the curve is taken up. Y equal to x square minus 2x plus 7. Differentiating the equation of curve, we will get slope of tangent. Now the slope of tangent is dy by dx is equal to x square derivative 2x. Derivative of x is 1, so minus 2 remains. Now this tangent is parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. So the slope of tangent as well as the slope of line will be equal. Now calculating the slope of the line, we will differentiate this equation with respect to x. So differentiating it, we get the derivative of x is 1, so 2 minus derivative of y is dy by dx equal to 0. So the slope of line becomes dy by dx is equal to 2. As the lines are parallel, the slopes will be equal. That is, slope of tangent will be equal to slope of line. So equating tangent equal to line, we get 2x minus 2 equal to 2. The slopes are equated. Calculating by simplifying it, we get the value of x as 2. So the value of x, we got it here as 2. Now to get the value of y, we will be putting the value of x in the equation of curve, not in the equation of line. It is to be kept in the equation of curve. So putting the value of x equal to 2 in the curve, we get y equal to 7. Now the slope is 2, or we can calculate it by putting the value of x and y in the slope of tangent, that is 2x minus 2. We get the tangent slope as 2 only. So slope is known, point is known. Using the point slope formula, we get the equation of tangent as y minus 7 equal to 2x minus 2. Expanding it, we get y minus 7 is equal to 2x minus 4, and just simplifying this to get the final equation of tangent, we'll get the final equation as 2x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. So this is the final equation of the tangent when tangent is parallel to the line 2x plus y plus 9 equal to 0. Now taking up the second condition. The second condition is the tangent is perpendicular to the line. The line given here is 5y minus 15, 5y minus 15 equal to 13 is the line given to which the tangent is perpendicular. So here is the equation of line given. Now again we will be calculating the slope of the line. The tangent slope is already known to us, that is 2x minus 2 is the slope of the tangent. Now calculating the slope of line by differentiating it with respect to x, we get 5 dy by dx minus 15 into 1, that is the differentiation of x is 1, we get minus 15. So the dy by dx of the line becomes 3, that is the slope of the line. Now tangent is perpendicular to line, therefore the slope of tangent will be just additive inverse and reciprocal. So if it is perpendicular, we directly take it as minus 1 by 3. Reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. Additive inverse of that becomes minus. So minus 1 by 3. Now slope of tangent calculated before is 2x minus 2, which will be equated to minus 1 by 3. Cross multiplication gives us 6x minus 6 equal to minus 1. Simplifying it, we'll get x is equal to 5 by 6. Now this value of x is to be substituted in the curve, that is x square minus 2x plus 7. Substituting it, calculating it, we get y equal to 217 upon 36. So slope is known to us, points are known to us, hence using the point slope formula we can easily calculate the equation of tangent, but here we have to be very careful in simplifying it as the values are large. So taking up here the point slope form, y minus y0 equal to slope x minus x0. Taking up the LCM, so it becomes 36y minus 217 upon 36 is equal to minus 1 by 3. Taking the LCM, 6x minus 5 upon 6. Cancellation with 18 and 36 as 2. Then taking to the other side and multiplying, and the complete simplification gives us the equation of tangent as 12x plus 36y equal to 227. 16th one, it is given as show that the tangents to the curve y equal to 7x cube plus 11 at the points where x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2 are parallel. Now here the equation of the tangents at both these points x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2, we need to show that they are parallel. Now when we want to prove that the lines are parallel, we have to prove here as the slopes are equal. If the slope of tangent at the point 2 and the slope of tangent at the point minus 2, if both are equal, we can say the tangents are parallel. Now, to calculate the slope of tangent, we will differentiate the equation of curve with respect to x. So we get slope of tangent as dy by dx is equal to 7, x cube derivative is 3x square. So dy by dx is equal to 21x square. This becomes the slope of tangent. Now we will take the value of x equal to 2 and calculate the slope value, that is being marked as m1. So m1 is equal to 21, x value keeping it as 2 becomes 4. So 21 into 4 makes it 84. So the slope at the point 2 is 84. Now, taking up the slope at the point x equal to minus 2, again keeping in dy by dx as equal to 21x square. So 21 into 4 makes it again 84. So now if we mark this at the point x equal to minus 2 as m2, we will compare both m1 and m2. They are equal, and hence we can say the tangents are parallel. At the point x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 2, the tangent becomes parallel to each other. 17th one is, find the points on the curve y equal to x cube at which the slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate of the point. Now here, as the question says find the points, means we need to calculate the value of x and y. Now the condition given here is the slope of the tangent. Now slope of the tangent, we always take it as dy by dx, and this dy by dx is equal to the y coordinate. Now as we don't know what is the y coordinate, we will take directly y, and y is given as x cube. Now for the slope, we will differentiate the equation of curve with respect to x. So slope of tangent becomes dy by dx equal to 3x square. Taking up the condition, slope of tangent is equal to y coordinate. So 3x square is the slope, y coordinate is x cube. Taking x cube the other side, it becomes 3x square minus x cube equal to 0. Taking out x square common, 3 minus x equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 3. Now keeping this value of x in the equation, we get y equal to 0 for x equal to 0, and if x value is 3, we get y as 27. So there are 2 points that we got it. One is 0, 0. Another point is 3 and 27. So at these 2 points, we can say that slope is equal to y coordinate. 18th one. The question is, for the curve y equal to 4x cube minus 2x raised to 5, find all the points at which the tangent passes through the origin. Again here we have to calculate the points, and we have to calculate those points of the tangent that the tangent is passing through the origin. Now again we need to differentiate with respect to x to calculate the slope. because to find out the equation of tangent, slope is needed. So dy by dx, calculating the derivative of the curve equation, we get 4 3x square minus 2 x raised to 5 derivative 5x raised to 4. Multiplying it or simplifying it, we get dy by dx is equal to 12x square minus 10x raised to 4. Now here the points are not given. The slope is 12x square minus 10x raised to 4. Suppose we assume that the points are x1, y1. So making up the equation of tangent, passing through the points x1, y1 and having the slope 12x square minus 10x raised to 4, we get y minus y1 is equal to. Now this slope is calculated at the point x1, y1. Hence instead of writing x here, we have to write x1. So it becomes the slope part as 12x1 square minus 10x1 raised to 4 into x minus x1. Now this particular tangent is passing through the origin. As in the question it is already given. So passing through the origin means the value of x and y. X and y value becomes 0, 0. So this value 0, 0 will not be substituted in x1 or y1. It will be substituted in the place of x and y. So putting the value of x and y as 0, 0, we get from here, from the LHS minus y1, slope remains as it is 12x1 square minus 10x1 raised to 4, and from this bracket remains minus x1 as x value is 0. Expanding the bracket, we get as negative and negative gets cancelled. The final part that we get by multiplying x1 with this bracket, that is 12x1 square minus 10x1 raised to 4, the answer is y1 is equal to 12x1 cube minus 10x1 raised to 5. Now this slope or this value of y1, if we put x1, y1 in the equation of the curve, because x1, y1 is a point on the curve as well as on the tangent. So keeping the value x1, y1 in the curve, we get the curve equation as y1 equal to 4x1 cube minus 2x1 raised to 5. Equating both, we got 12x1 cube minus 10x1 raised to 5 equal to 4x1 cube minus 2x1 raised to 5. Now taking everything on one side and operating that, we will be getting 8x1 cube minus 8x1 raised to 5 equal to 0. Taking out 8x1 cube common, inside the bracket remains 1 minus x1 square equal to 0. So either x1 is equal to 0 or x1 square equal to 1 from this bracket. So x1 is equal to plus or minus 1 will become the value of x1 when x1 square is equal to 1. So we got here three values of x1. One is 0, another value is plus or minus 1. So when x1 is 0, y1 is also 0. When x1 is equal to 1, then y1, keeping the value of x in the equation of the curve, we get y1 is equal to 4 minus 2, that is 2. When x1 is equal to minus 1, again keeping the value of x in the curve, we get y1 is equal to minus 4 plus 2, that is equal to minus 2. So the points, there are total 3 points, because the question asks is find all the points. Hence we have calculated 3 points, that is 0, 0, 1, 2, minus 1 and minus 2, from where the tangent through the origin passes.